The Panduit family of horizontal cable managers organizes, manages, and protects cables in a variety of installations, from telecom rooms to entire data centers. Panduit offers 4 series of horizontal cable managers: Open Access, Patch Link, Net Manager, and Patch Runner 2 Horizontal. Let's first take a look at the Open Access cable managers designed for smaller capacity installations such as telecom rooms. Its low-depth profile makes an ideal choice for installations with front depth restrictions. These cable managers organize cables on the front and rear of the rack. They provide better access to switch ports and cabling with their open design. The cable passes through holes on panels for easy installation and cable maintenance. The cable managers include an optional snap-on cover. Like the Open Access series, the Patch Link cable managers organize cables on the front and rear of the rack. And the dual-hinged cover opens upward or downward for easy access to cables in a horizontal pathway without having to completely remove cover. Patchlink cable managers have integral bend radius control, which maintains bend radii as cables transition between horizontal and vertical pathways. Patchlink's wider finger spacing provides more room for high-performance Category 6 cables. The flexible fingers make it easier to install and organize cables, simplifying moves, adds, and changes. Panduit has 2 options for high-capacity horizontal cable management installations: the Net Manager and the Patch Runner 2. The Net Manager organizes high-density network cabling. It efficiently manages high-performance copper, fiber, or coaxial cables on any 19-inch rack. Panduit's premium offering, the Patch Runner 2, has a magnetic best-in-class cover. Both Net Manager and Patch Runner 2 include inset fingers that slope inward for greater access to network cabling. And wide front finger openings easily accommodate Category 6A and Category 6 copper cables for faster installation and lower maintenance costs. Both series also have a deep channel opening to increase cable capacity and less rack space. The Panduit Horizontal Cable Manager family provides high-quality solutions for cable management needs in any facility. For more information, visit panduit.com.